So I think it was really important that we developed 3 Christmas fragrances because they're very different vibes, and I think you want to sort of create those different vibes for different times during this festive period. So Christmas Wish, when you smell it in November, you just instantly know that is Christmas. It's got the mandarin, it's got the cinnamon, it's got the tonka bean. It's that lovely, cozy sort of fragrance. The Perfect Peace is the next one that we developed, and that's got the pine, it's got the myrrh, it's got the lime peel. It's a more sort of almost Nordic take on Christmas. For me, I use that sort of, when it's party time, maybe in the kitchen, if you want to create that sort of more energized, uplifting, very Christmassy fragrance. And then there's the Precious Moment, and it's got the vetiver, it's got the black pepper, and it's got the ginger in, but it's a softer fragrance to the other two. There's the woody notes in there, but it's a more of a pared back sort of simple fragrance. The fire's sort of burning, and you're just reading a book quite quietly. It's that lovely calming backdrop.